Hey, mahalo for staying with us right here on Island Life Live. It is the best of Hawaii, and we welcome from the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers Local Union 1260, or IBEW for short, yeah?
Yes.
This is Leroy Chincio, the business manager and financial secretary. Aloha, brother, and welcome back.
Thank you.
Yay,
Thank you guys.
it's the money guy.
I know. Hey, first of all, congratulations on being named one of the best local unions in Hawaii. You want to mahalo your members and our viewers?
Yeah, mahalo to our members. Again, this is a direct reflection of them, and I believe we're the best in the state, and we got the best members, so thank you.
I love that. I love the pride with which you talk about the union. That's amazing. Leroy, can you tell us a little bit about IBEW and the work that you folks do? Because I know it says the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, but you folks serve so much more than just electrical workers, right?
Yes, of course, our biggest signatory is the men and women at Hawaiʻi Electric and KIUC, the utilities. But we also represent a lot of different professionals, some here at KITV, the technicians and cameramen.
Yes.
We have government service contracts, we have line clearance, tree trimming, just a whole slew of different talents.
And not just here in Hawaii, but also Guam as well, right?
Yes, we have about 900 members in Guam and about 75 members in Wake Island.
Wow.
So we take care of the whole Pacific.
Yeah, I saw, I was looking at your guys' website, and one of our recently retired photographers, videographers, Uncle Bob Guanzan, he's still up on you guys' website. So shakas in, shout outs to Uncle Bob. Now, IBEW Local 1260 has been advocating for workers across the Pacific, as you mentioned, through both workplace representation and legislative action for decades, right? Talk about that for a little bit.
Yeah, you know, we always looking at the policies that come out of the state capitol, making sure that the workers are represented, making sure we have a voice in the decision-making process, you know, and making sure that people hear and see what is important to us.
That's awesome. And I know that there's actually congratulations in several ways, not only being one of our best of Hawaii for unions, but also you guys celebrating, was it 85 years?
85 years this year, 85 years since our, start. We actually celebrating it with a custom bag that we're giving out to our members to represent the 85 years.
Hey, and that's a collaboration with Aloha Collection?
Yeah, so it's made by Aloha Collection.
Look at that.
The bag, and we even have a little cutie.
Oh, yeah.
To represent 85 years.
Wonderful. So members just got to go stop off at the offices?
So our members, initially we're giving them out at all our union meetings, and then they can pick it up in office also.
Is that IBEW Local Union Talk, cutie?
Yeah,
that's what I'm told it's called.
Okay, Leroy, me, nah.
Well, they're calling all the cuties to come grab your goodies, and happy 85 years of serving Hawaii and the Pacific in the good work that you folks do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah. We celebrating big time today, I tell you. Leroy Chincio of the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, that's IBEW Local Union 1260. Just check them out, IBEW1260.org.
All right.